How Santa Lost His Job by Stephen Krensky, retold by Aathira in room 207. Every year before Santa gets ready to deliver presents, he would get ready by checking the weather, checking that everything was okay for the big day. He would try to move as fast as he could to deliver presents, but he just couldn't. The elves did not like that, and one elf named Muckle did not like it at all. Muckle worked on something for months, yet nobody knew what it was. Muckle called it the Deliberator. It was a replacement for Santa to prove that Santa was worth it. And that is how Santa lost his job. All the elves programmed the Deliberator. But will the Deliberator make it back successfully on Christmas, or will it not? Read the book from the library to find out.